Então, isso a gente adquiriu.
We acquired an airplane because we have areas of land in Goiás, here in the south and in the northern parts of Goiás.
E no norte de Goiás. Então a gente além disso,
The airplane also
o avião
lets us
serve
monitor the
também pra
crops
gente
from above.
monitorar as lavouras por cima, né?
O uso do drone hoje dentro da propriedade
The use of drones on the farm allows us to optimize our applications, to focus only on those areas that have been invaded by weeds and avoid those without weeds.
economizar a aplicação nas áreas.
In the past, our applications covered the entire area. Now we target specific areas only. This way we save time and use less chemical products.
Economiza tempo e economiza produto químico. Nos últimos
Over the past 2 years here in our region, the rainy season has started closer to our sowing periods, which means that many areas cannot undergo the proper drying process before we sow the seeds.
são antes do plantio. Ficando algumas áreas.
So some areas have weed infestations and other areas don't. By using drones, we can more accurately map out the areas that have weeds.
Dessas plantas daninhas.
O nosso objetivo, meu objetivo aqui
My goal here on the farm is to hand over a legacy to my children. I want to give them a farm that uses the best technology available, much better than what people use today in Brazil.
No mercado hoje, no caso no Brasil,
I'm going to try to pass that on to them.
E eles também, eu tenho certeza.
And I'm sure they will also want to keep using the newest technologies and everything in order to produce more.
Para produzir mais. Depois que tiver totalmente.
Once everything is digitalized, which I guess will be soon, I guess we'll mostly use the airplane for traveling to the beach, going fishing, enjoying trips and vacations, and just having fun.
E é só para se divertir.
Baya. Science for a better life.